everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Summer is kicking off, it's Memorial Day, and what better thing to have than a barbecue? We're going to be sharing with you how to make a delicious, spicy, creamy horseradish sauce that you can serve with your steaks, with your chicken, and it's a great option for a vegetable dip or a sandwich spread. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. I'm gonna make a really quick and easy creamy horseradish sauce. This is great if you roast a prime rib, or it's really good if you're throwing some steaks on the grill for dinner. This is great with chicken, beef, pork. It's wonderful as a vegetable dip. It's great as a sandwich spread, and I think it's super versatile. So if you enjoy horseradish, then this is going to be a really great item to add to your recipe box. To get started, we're going to have about a half a cup or so of good quality sour cream. You can use creme fraiche, but I figure why go to the extra added expense, because that's really expensive. I have about 2 tablespoons of good quality hot horseradish, but you can use whatever is your preference. Do not buy horseradish sauce or creamed horseradish. You want good quality, just plain horseradish in a jar. You can usually find it, for whatever reason, in the dairy section of your grocery store. I have about 2 tablespoons of snipped chives, and we're going to season this up with a half teaspoon each of salt, cracked black pepper, and a teaspoon each of onion powder and garlic powder. You of course can use a crushed garlic clove if you like that fresh garlic bite. I personally like the more mild, roasty flavor of the granulated garlic and onion instead. So that's what I'm using today. We'll start off by getting all of our ingredients into the bowl. Our sour cream, our spices, there goes our onion powder and garlic powder, our salt and pepper, our chives, and you can add all of these chives, or you can add less of these chives, you can add none of these chives. It's entirely up to you. And the star of our show, the horseradish. And then we're going to get in here and we're going to whisk this together.
While she's doing that, I got a quick question for everybody. We just recently upgraded our kitchen lighting in here, so tell us, do you think this lighting looks better, or do you not notice a difference?
And there you have it. That's how easy it is to make a delicious horseradish cream sauce at home. So this is ready to use however you want. Use it as a dip, as a spread, use it as an accompaniment to go with your prime rib or your steak or your chicken or your pork, or whatever it is you're serving that you want this delicious, spicy, creamy sauce with. So we're going to be grilling some steaks tonight, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what this looks like when you serve it next to a steak. Rick also enjoys this with grilled asparagus. It's a nice little accompaniment in place of hollandaise sauce or béarnaise sauce. The last time
that was a happy accident.
The last time we had steak, I whipped up some horseradish sauce because I wanted it with my steak. But we also had grilled asparagus that night along with the steak, and I looked over at Rick's plate when I was sitting down to eat, and he had put this on top of his asparagus because I think he thought it was aioli. And I said, well, I made that for the steak, but he really liked it.
It's good
on the asparagus. So
good. Happy
accident, right? So we'll be right back. Dinner's ready, and I waited until everything was off the grill so that we could plate this up and just share this horseradish sauce with you. We grilled up some ribeye steaks and some Argentine shrimp today, and we also did some grilled zucchini slices and some sauteed mushrooms. So, are you ready to taste this?
I have to.
And you know the deal. You just take a little bit on your fork, put it with your meat, and taste it. What do you think?
Oh, that is phenomenal.
Oh my goodness. That's the perfect accompaniment to a beautiful juicy steak. It's just got enough heat to it. It's perfectly seasoned with the chives, the onion powder, and the garlic powder. It's absolutely delicious. I hope that you give this a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.